Hello guys, in this video I would like to teach you how to calculate resistors. Before we begin, I would like to show you different samples of resistors and how you can calculate it. Okay, now these are resistors, and in this panel I want to show you where the resistor is located, and sometimes it works as sometimes it's works together with a transformer, or sometimes works together with an IC or transistor even. So here now, this is a resistor and this is a resistor. Then also here, this is a resistor and this also is a resistor. Then here also, this is a resistor, this is a resistor, and this is a resistor also. And this also is a variable resistor, so do not forget that. This is like a switch, a turning fork. It's also a resistor, and it's called variable resistor. Here also is a resistor. And this, here also is a resistor. And these also are a type of resistors, the new modern resistors that are very tiny in order to not occupy much space in your work. So they used to apply this type of resistors, and it's also served the same as this. Here also, this is a charger, and this also is a resistor, and a resistor. Here the resistor now works together with a transformer and also a transistor. Here also, this is a resistor, this is a resistor, and here also this is a resistor. Here, this is a resistor, and these are new modern types of resistor. This is a resistor here, a resistor here, and a resistor here. Okay, in this video I want us to focus on how to calculate a resistor. Previously I've shown you how to know this is a resistor. I will also show you how to know the signs and where you can put the resistors, but that will be on our next video. In this video I want us to focus on the resistor and how to calculate them. When you're asked to get 1k resistor, 10k resistor, or any type of resistor, you can just indicate this is the color code, or this is this, or this is that. Well, now let's move to the video properly. Okay, now the resistors, the first thing you should have to know is that the resistors are just normal colors. The color code are just normal colors of the rainbow. Just all you need to do is remove indigo, write down the the rainbow colors, then you add black, brown, and then add the tolerance, which is silver and gold. Just when you add it, your chart is almost ready. Just let's draw the color codes now and give the numbers. Okay, now these are just the normal rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue. You remove indigo, write violet, and then write gray, gray, white. Okay, these are just the normal colors: the black, the brown, the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, the violet, the gray, white, gold, and silver. How you have to notice that the gold and the silver are just tolerance. They just normally appear at the end, which means they are just the tolerance of the resistor. Okay, now digits here are the first ring and the second ring. This is the digits, and this is used to know the digit of the first and the second ring. Then I will also show you how to calculate it using a simple resistor, how to know the values. Okay, now the third ring is in a resistor. Just how to write down the values, that just count in 10 digits. This is 1, and that one is 10, and that one is 100, 1000, and so on. Okay, now this is the chart on how to calculate a resistor by color code. Then on the color code, you normally see like 4 colors. Here in the colors, you see the first digit, the second digit, the third digit, and the fourth digit. Then how to know where to start calculating? Sometimes in a resistor, you see first 3, and then you see a small space, then you see the 4 digits. Then calculate from that nearest 3 that are just like close, and then the 1 is now the tolerance. So that is just simple how to calculate a resistor. Let's give an example and calculate a resistor. Okay, here I have a resistor. The first ring here is blue, the second ring is red, then the third ring is brown, then the fourth ring is gold. Then how do we calculate it now? The first ring is blue. You look for blue here, and blue is 6. Okay, then the second ring is red, which is 2. Then the third ring, which is the multiplier, which is brown, and brown here is 1. Then here is supposed to be like you multiply the 6 and 2 by 1. Then the fourth ring, which is gold, and gold here has the tolerance of plus or minus 5%. Okay, now then with this, it means that the resistor here is 62 ohms plus or minus 5% tolerance. And that is the calculation for the resistor here. When you use the meter, you can also get the same thing, and that you know how to calculate the resistor. Then let's look at for another resistor. Okay, then here we have that the first ring in the resistor is orange, which is 3. The second ring is white, which is 9. The third ring is yellow, which is 10,000. Then the fourth ring, which is gold, is 5 plus or minus 5% tolerance. Then we write down as, okay, now in the resistor here, we have that the first ring is orange, the second is white, yellow, and gold, which is equal to 39 times 10 raised to the power 4, which is, we give you 39k resistor plus or minus 5% tolerance. And this is how you can calculate a resistor. Then the next category of resistor is, okay, now this is the next category of resistor, but if you look very close, you notice that you can see numbers written on it. Like this one now, they wrote 205, which means that this resistor is 205 ohms resistor, and this second one they wrote 104, which means that it's 104 ohms resistor. You can also remember that resistor is calculated in ohms. And from this, I hope you have learned how to calculate a resistor based on color code. And when you see a resistor, you can use your meter to test and know how many ohms resistor this resistor is. You can also calculate 10k resistors, 1k resistors, and others by following down the color codes written here. And with that, you are good to go.